One leg ball lunge. Rest your right foot on top of the ball. Keep your left standing knee soft and do not lock. Place your hands on your hips or down by your side. Inhale to prepare. Push the ball back with your right foot until your shin and knee are resting on the ball. Bend your left knee forward, making sure it doesn't move beyond your toes. Engage your left glute and lunge. Exhale and draw your abs in towards your spine. Hold for 5 seconds. Feel the release in your abdominals, quads and glutes. Straighten your front leg and inhale. Switch legs. Repeat and work within the limitations of your body.